Democracy embodies the principle of equality, affirming that every citizen possesses inherent worth and deserves equal opportunities and treatment under the law. Regardless of who you are, everyone has the right to voice out and let their voice be heard by the government. Democracy stands to have an individual right of freedom to express their thoughts and opinions in the society. We should not make any exclusivity to anyone. But what we should do is to have a unity and inclusivity regardless of your social status. Democracy thrives on the active participation of its citizens, serving as a catalyst for civic engagement and collective action. Democracy creates a system of checks and balances that prevent the arbitrary exercise of power and protect individual rights. As a civil engineering student, I want to promote democracy to anyone. I want to express and tell to everyone that there is no such exceptions in our chosen career. Everyone is welcome to learn and to try new skills as a civil engineering student. I want to use my voice to voice out and share my knowledge, and cooperation will lead us to a better future. As I chose this career, I will make sure that everyone will know and show that what is the importance of the democracy. Because democracy is not just about government, as I say, it is about equality, affirming that every citizen possesses inherent worth and deserves equal opportunities and treatment under the law, and that's what we need in this career. As we go through the challenges of modern world, democracy remains an important light of hope, guiding countries toward a future founded on justice, equality, and freedom for all.